Hello, namaste, friends. I wanted to take a moment and tell you about my upcoming lecture workshop titled Ayurveda for Women. One of the, in my view, the most important topics today because of the pace of life and the role that women are taking today, the way that women are approaching yoga, and the factors of diet and environment that are influencing fertility, immunity, digestion, and ultimately longevity. All of these things are interconnected. And I have spent a lot of time, particularly the last several years, doing much research in this area because the mother plays a very important role, right? The mother is that bond, that moon-earth connection with the child. It largely impacts the fetus, and children are impacted in this way, particularly by the way a woman lives, not just the 9 months during pregnancy, but the years before pregnancy, and then post-pregnancy. So we'll talk a bit about this. Actually, this is a very specific topic in Ayurveda called Garbha Samskar, the influence and the role that the mother has with the child and how she can influence that child to live a healthier life by changing her environment, by practicing Ayurvedic self-care practices, by practicing proper yoga, meditation, and by keeping a positive attitude. All of these things I will talk about and answer very specific questions that you might have relative to your own balance of your hormones, fertility, even perimenopause, menopausal issues. So we're going to spend a little time on all of these topics to give it a well-rounded approach and so that it appeals to women of all ages and backgrounds. So this will be February 22nd on Sunday at the Integral Yoga Center in South Miami. It will be live streamed. It will be online and recorded. So if you can't make it in person, please join us. You'll get the recording if you can't make it during that time on Sunday afternoon. So look forward to sharing the wisdom of Ayurveda, the great lunar tradition, the great system of nature's wisdom to heal, to promote balance, and to promote harmony in our society. Ayurveda extends into a much broader context in that way because if women are balanced, that influence the whole of society. Women represent living nature, active nature, creative nature, and we will promote that and encourage that through Ayurvedic knowledge. If you know somebody that can benefit from this workshop or lecture, please spread the word and help me to continue my campaign, my endeavors to promote the importance of Ayurveda and yoga to everyone, everywhere. Thank you and namaste.